Good morning, guys. Welcome and welcome back. If you're just tuning in, we are in Ponce Inlet here, getting ready to take off. There's the lighthouse right behind me, and we got our crew. They're all ready to go here. Corey's just finishing up his breakfast, but we're gonna head offshore, see what we can catch today. It's been quite a ride out here today. We got a long 8 hours, so we were able to troop it out a little bit further, but lucky us, we are at our destination here in another few feet, and it is parked right underneath that storm cloud you see behind us, so there's a pretty good chance we're going to get rained on momentarily today, in between all the fish catching. So we appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, leave comments down below, all that fun stuff. We really appreciate it, and it really helps our channel grow, we hope. So tune in to the end of the video and see what these kids all catch, because I hope there's some big fish chewing for them down there, and we're going to have a blast today.
Just kind of like leave it right there, okay? We'll grab it from you. All right, you want to take it and put it in your right armpit? And really pull the rod down. Wait, he's just, there he is. There he is. There he is. Okay. Yeah, don't jerk. No.
Oh, she's got one too now.
Yep, nice. Piper, you got it? Yep, I got her. I'm here. Yep, just take your time.
Holy cow, you got a big old nurse shark, buddy.
Holy cow.
Don't reel anymore, he's right up here.
Right there. Look at that.
Holy cow. That's a big old nurse shark.
All right, hold it, leave it right there. We got a nice fish coming right here, too.
Wow, look at that guy. Yep, I'll get the de-hooker tool.
Oh, hold on, wait, keep reeling. Yep,
She's got a big one coming up too. What is hers? A
right,
big
stop. You got a barjack.
Oh, barjack.
Hold
That
the
one
rod,
we can eat if you want.
Yep, that's dinner. Look at there.
I got something.
Real good.
All right.
Okay, you got a little bait fish, buddy.
Yeah. All right, let me get the de-hooker.
I got a little one.
You got a grunt. Look at Jared.
You had some good bites here in this stop.
Almost see him. All right. All right, don't reel anymore.
He bites you all the way to the top. Wow, we got that same nurse shark. All right, don't reel no more.
I just got the same nurse.
Same shark.
You got the same one?
Look at that.
I got a shark.
Yeah, it was. Oops.
He's saved.
Oh, we got a nice.
We got a nice one. You got to reel. Pull the rod up. Now reel. Pull the rod up.
Don't reel anymore, honey. She's got a nice red snapper.
You gotta look at it. Pull the rod up. Come on. You gotta pull the rod up. And now reel. Okay, so reel. Pull the rod up. Now reel. See how you doing that? I'm gonna let you try it, okay? Pull the rod up. Now reel. There you go. Don't let any slack. I got red snap all over me.
Fine.
I'm coming. All right, you're doing good, honey.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, there he is. Come on, be a mango.
Hers.
Be a mango.
That's a red snapper.
It's a red one. There's.
Bring it to me right here and hold on. Where you at, guys? Make sure you don't see the number. Get out. And you just hold it real tight. And I'm going to grab that line. If he takes off, I'm going to let go. We're just going to put that all over again. Eventually, he's just going to be done. I'm tired. Yeah. Good job, buddy. Real good. Yeah.
And then when he does gap him, you kind of follow him with the rod up to the cooler, you know?
Really good. is
A black nose.
blacknose. Okay. Oh, we got our fish.
Yeah. What do you want to do with?
Cut it.
He's going over to that side of the boat, so you guys might be tangled in the.
Tight, yep.
If he goes low, you try. Yeah, there you go.
You're hung. Y'all are hung. Just let it go. That's fine. That's fine. We'll get him out here in 1
He
minute.
looks nice.
All right, hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Perfect. Quick release. Haha.